Greetings, and welcome to today's video where I'll be discussing the 5 top reasons why Odoo is a fantastic platform for entrepreneurs. Whether you're just starting your business or looking to streamline your operations, choosing the right platform is essential for your business success. As an entrepreneur myself, I've used Odoo since before it was even called Odoo, back when it was known as OpenERP. Since then, I've created dozens of courses, and I've helped thousands of companies, small and large, improve their operations with Odoo. If you're interested in working with me and getting the most out of Odoo, check below. I will have links to my courses and consulting services. Now, in this video, I'm going to discuss the 5 top reasons why Odoo is an excellent choice for entrepreneurs. We'll delve into its open source nature, the extensive app store with thousands of applications, its customizability, and more. But before we dive in, I'd like to remind you to please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insightful content on business tools and strategies. Now let's get started with the first reason why Odoo is a great platform for entrepreneurs: its open source nature. So the first reason why Odoo is an excellent source for entrepreneurs is that it is an open source platform. This provides a range of benefits, including cost effectiveness, transparency, innovation, and complete control over the future of your operations. As an open source platform, Odoo allows businesses to use and modify the software without paying license fees. This makes it a budget-friendly option for entrepreneurs, especially those with limited resources. Open source software provides full access to the source code, allowing entrepreneurs and developers to understand how the platform works and make informed decisions about customization and integration. The open source community encourages collaboration and knowledge sharing, fostering innovation and continuous improvement, something you just won't find in closed systems. As a result, Odoo benefits from the contributions of a large community, ensuring that the platform stays up to date and aligned with the evolving needs of businesses. Odoo offers 2 editions: the Community Edition, which is free and open source, and the Enterprise Edition, which includes additional features and support services, but it too also is open source. This flexibility allows entrepreneurs to choose the edition that best fits their needs and budgets. In summary, Odoo's open source nature makes it cost-effective, transparent, and an innovative solution for entrepreneurs seeking a flexible and customizable business management platform. The second reason why Odoo is a great platform for entrepreneurs is the extensive application store, which features thousands of applications, more than 25,000 the last I saw, and it is designed to address various business needs. Odoo's App Store offers a wide range of applications covering areas such as sales, CRM, accounting, inventory, human resources, and more. This allows entrepreneurs to create a comprehensive business management solution that is tailored to their specific requirements. Even more so, in addition to the core applications, Odoo's App Store also includes niche applications designed for specific industries or specialized functions. This enables businesses to find solutions that cater to their unique needs. Odoo applications are designed for easy installation and integration within the platform. This means that entrepreneurs can quickly add new functionality as their business grows or their needs change. In conclusion, Odoo's App Store provides entrepreneurs with a vast selection of applications that enables them to build a tailored and comprehensive business management solution, allowing them to focus on their growing business needs. So now we're on to the third reason, and it's probably my favorite, and it's powerful customization and integration capabilities. Odoo is an excellent platform because it allows you to customize and tailor Odoo and make any kind of integrations that you need. These features allow businesses to adapt the platform to their specific needs and streamline operations. Odoo's flexible architecture enables entrepreneurs to customize the platform's interface, the workflows, and functionality to meet their unique business requirements. This ensures that the system supports their specific processes and helps improve efficiency. Entrepreneurs can also develop custom applications from scratch to extend Odoo, add additional functionality, and by leveraging Odoo's modular design and development tools, businesses can create new features or tailor existing ones to their needs. In addition, Odoo has a complete full-featured API or application program interface and connectors that make it easy to integrate the platform with various third-party tools and services, such as payment gateways, shipping providers, e-commerce platforms. This enables businesses to create a unified system that streamlines their operations and improve overall efficiency. In summary, Odoo's customization and integration capabilities provide entrepreneurs with the flexibility to adapt the platform to their specific needs, ensuring that their business processes are streamlined and efficient. So the fourth reason why Odoo is a great platform for entrepreneurs is the robust community of experienced developers and integrators that support the platform. The Odoo community encourages knowledge sharing and collaboration, enabling entrepreneurs to learn from the experiences of others and find solutions to common challenges. The active community contributes to Odoo's ongoing development, ensuring that the platform remains up to date and responsive to the evolving needs of businesses. Entrepreneurs can access a wealth of resources and support services within the Odoo community, including forums, documentation, webinars, and training courses. This helps businesses get the most out of the platform and address any challenges they may encounter. I myself have created many courses on Odoo, and I'm always releasing new ones. Check the links below, and you can get access to my courses and my consulting services if you'd like to work with me. Finally, the fifth reason for choosing Odoo as a platform for an entrepreneur. So the fifth reason, and the final one in this video, is that Odoo is an excellent platform because it offers multi-language and multi-currency features. Now, at first you might not think you need those, but any language or any currency you're currently using, if you're only using one, is limiting your growth. And as you grow, being able to access extra markets and extra countries and other markets becomes increasingly more valuable. Odoo supports numerous languages out of the box, allowing businesses to cater to a diverse range of customers and the employees and users that actually are using Odoo. This feature simplifies communication and collaboration within the company and helps provide a localized experience for all users of the platform. Odoo's translation tools make it easy to translate the platform's interface, reports, and documentation and documents into different languages. This ensures that businesses can communicate effectively within their international customers and partners. In addition to the multi-language features, Odoo offers multicurrency, which allows businesses to manage transactions in multiple currencies, making it easier to conduct international business. The platform automatically handles currency conversions and updates exchange rates, simplifying financial management for entrepreneurs. In conclusion, Odoo's built-in multi-language and multi-currency features are perfect for entrepreneurs as a platform that strips away the limitations of so many other software systems and allows you to expand globally or cater to an international audience. These capabilities simplify communications, financial management, and helps entrepreneurs focus on growing their business. In conclusion, Odoo is a powerful and flexible platform that offers many numerous benefits for entrepreneurs. These were just 5 of the main ones, but there's plenty more. And the more you work with Odoo, the more you will find it is just a perfect platform for entrepreneurs. The main features being, of course, the open source nature, the thousands of applications that are available on the application store, the fact that you can customize it and integrate it with other systems, a robust community of developers and integrators, and finally, multi-language and multi-currency features that give Odoo great scope and great range as you grow and offer more services and products. By leveraging these advantages, entrepreneurs can create a powerful and flexible business management solution that supports their growth and success, or offer these services and consulting and systems to others. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more insights on business tools and strategies. And as I said, if you would like to work with me, I have links down below to my courses and my consulting services. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the very best of luck in your entrepreneurial journey.